Hello, welcome back again to my channel, Susan Gold TV. How are you all doing? I hope fine. So I'm going to be showing you guys on how I made this my daughter green threading wool. So first I'll be using just one wool, and I'm using organic coconut oil to to apply on the parts. I'm not going to be using shine jam or jam whatsoever, any gel today. So before I start using that, I first of all sprayed Rosmarin water, which I missed. I always use it on my kids' hair. So after that, I have to pat it round, and after patting it round, then that's when I start. So and twist it. So guys, just keep watching. So I'm going to be using just 3 strands of wool. So the reason I'm doing this, the lesser strands of wool you use, the better it is for the hair, because it will make the hair really last longer. Okay, if you use much, it will be faster when you are threading it, or the hair won't last. So for us to, if you are the type that don't want to be making your kids hair all the time, so you can use the one that would last you for a long time. Okay, is threading the third one. That's when I will take the first one and add it to the third one and thread everything together. So, and that's how I'll keep doing it until I'm done, just the same way, no difference. So I always stop at the end of her hair. So where you see me stop, that is I just leave a little bit of her hair, just a little bit. I decided to make it that way because that's how the length will get to the other one I want to make. So it's easier for me that way to avoid her having pains. When you're making it, to try not to make them have pain. So I'm managing my kids, they sit calmly and they don't cry. All kids, like my daughter, I cut her hair before because this was one of the first the hair I gave birth to her, the one she had. I cut her hair before. It was longer than this because she was not allowing me to make her hair. So the way your kids can stay is, like I always say to my video though, one, let them choose the dye or the color of hair they want. So my daughter chose this green because she saw my baby having a green hair, so she decided to also make green hair. So I allow her to choose the style, I allow my kids to choose the kind of color they want, and I make it for them. So I might choose the style, but I allow them to choose the color. And also, some people like to eat, to just be picking something, be eating something, be chewing something, while some kids, they like to be drinking as something sweet. So you have to just figure out what your kids like, and then you give it to them to make them sit calmly, and you can make their hair. So guys, after I made this hair round, you see the way I'm putting it. So when I finish flogging one, so what I do, I'll put the other one that I want to put the next hair, I'll put it under it just like this. So this one I put under now is the one I want to add to the one I am threading later. So you see, that's why I just rose the hair to the hair is not tight. And when you are adding the one you made already to the other one you are making, remember this is threading wool or threading hair. Once you are done making it, you can adjust it. So before you add it to it, make sure there is, and the one, so at the end of the day, make it too tight, you can't change it. So if you are seeing it now, in case you don't understand the way I'm saying it, just the way I'm putting it on the other one, then I'll make that before I even pat another one to make. Then after that, I'll just thread it. I start threading the other one. Then when I thread it 2-3 times, that is when I will add the other one to it. So it's so easy. So the color I use is not is optional. The color you use, you can choose to use black. I use different color of wool for my kids. I just bring out all the colors I have at home. Anyone they choose, that is one I used. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If this is your first time coming up, thank you so much for stopping by, and we appreciate your support. So please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever we upload a new video. To our returning subscriber, we say thank you so much for your endless support. We do appreciate you all. So guys, if you're watching this video till this time, that means you are enjoying the video. Thank you so much for your support, and please do give us a big thumbs up and help us to share our video. That's the little way you can help us share our video, and also give us a big thumbs up. So you see the way I'm adjusting it. So before I hold the other one, I must make sure I adjust it, like I push it up, so there will be space between that one to avoid them having pain. So guys, it's so easy at that. So the front, I just cut one front because that's where I'm going to end the whole hair before I was like just finish the hair, then run the in the thumbnail and the way you are seeing here right.
Don't fall, don't forget all the things you've been taught, you've been told. Don't blink, don't run, don't turn left or turn right or look straight at the sun. My mind's going in circles, I'm trying to fight it, getting these voices inside to stay quiet. Gone to the place where all this began, just start again. Oh, you won't see the light until the dawn breaks. No, till it's all said and done, you won't know what it takes. Gotta make a wrong turn and turn around. Gotta fall first to pick yourself up off the ground. Until you get lost, you'll never be found, and you can't start again until you break down. They said, be meek, look beneath the bed before you go to sleep.
So this is finally how we ended this hairstyle. and I decided to wrap it this way. You can also just like take it round to create a hole where I covered. So if you don't want to cover it, you can just like round it in the hair where you like make it to just make it simple. So this is the end of this video. So thanks for watching. I hope to see you guys in our next video. Bye for now.